Imagine earning money every month from books you created just once. No art skills, no publishing experience, and no design tools needed. That's exactly what's possible with Colorbooks AI, the smart app that helps you build passive income streams using AI generated coloring books. With just a few prompts, you can create professional quality coloring pages and full books in minutes. The app even lets you turn them into animated 3D flip books for digital sales. Want to start selling right away? You'll also get access to over 25,000 ready made PLR coloring books. You can rebrand and list them on Amazon KDP, Etsy, or eBay, keeping 100% of the profits. And because everything is cloud based, you can create unlimited books from anywhere. No monthly fees, no steep learning curve, and no need to draw a single line. If you're ready to turn creativity into consistent income, click the link in the description and start building your passive income empire with Color Books AI today.